Nandun siya sa variant na yun, pre. Variant siya ng ganong ng easy lang. Hey, turn on the lights. It's dark na eh. Last round, last round. Sa mga kay Brew, ano to? Kay Brew, kay Bullet, pre, may ano kayo sa akin, may console. 2 weeks din, 2 weeks.
I can have your account
Thank you for sharing, pre.
whenever I want to and however I
Teka,
want.
yung sa galaw yung listahan. Thank you for sharing the stream, Ju. Aerial.
Yeah.
15 winners to, 15 winners.
I'm murderer, yes.
Siguro sufficient naman na yung laki ng monster. So, element na lang siguro. Ang salamat sa notify, Chad. Ano tayo? Raffle, palaro, yung mga subs, tsaka ano? Grave Worm, goods. Grave Worm, pre. Nauna si Chodan. Grave Worm. Ang sagot, Grave Worm. Si Namrepus, tsaka si Penny. Pa-claim ako, Namrepus, Penny. May 45 seconds din kayo. Pag wala,
So I thought that it's called Dylan Anderson. That's literally that.
tayo pala umabot. Namrepus. Yan, sige. Sige, pre. Alisin na natin to si Maiden. Ayan na, 3 clue na to.
This is my new friend, the Elixir Caprera. Her name? Everyone is good.
Nothing. Ng mga top fan. Kunin ko lang sa ano. Wala, di ko kasi makita sa Facebook eh. So, ano, PC. Come on, come on, come on. Lang siguro tayo 4 rounds. L. Solid yun, hasta all stats yun, di ba? Yun, oh. Ang solid, oh. Bangis. Wait lang, ah.
Watch me log into my brother's account.
So, ganito. 100 ano else? Tara, streamer eggs tayo. Wala nang hahabol, wala.
I'm more evil than you,
Yeah, it's
Tony.
only one way. Sharing my last time.
Time to buy a corn.
Pagkatapos nito siguro guess the monster na lang tayo. Naglaad lang ba yun? Kala ko nag-tele. Gago. Sige, pre. Kung gusto niyo sumali, kailangan niyo gumamit ng ibang character. Kailangan niyo lang gumamit ng ibang character. Harold. Congratulations, B.
Korean embassy in Italy to investigate Jenny for smoking.
Ayan, pre.
Or started reacting angrily. One fan said Jenny needs to be
Yes, help me. Can you help me try to find the other people? In Roblox talaga.
So, 16, 17, 18, Banayad,
No.
Akane, tsaka Redux. Pa-claim ako. Yan, 22 entries.
Just have
Mabilisan lang sa top 1 raffle. Sorry. Sorry, I forgot you were sleeping. Gago nag-tail eh. Ano na to? Straight. KO yata mamaya, pre.
and honor. Bro,
Wala, pre. Di ko sure kung mag-KO ako ah. Kaya na yan. Para naman ako.
how?
Because we always want
Oh, baby, baby. Hindi. Ano pa lang ngayon, pre? Wednesday.
Anyways, I cannot change your account to an emo one. By the way, why were you shocked? Oh no, I'm scared. What about you? I'm scared.
Oy, Premier League update. Good one. Check lang. Notify lang kayo mga pre. Check lang ako ng mga top fan kung meron pa. Saka subs. Makahabol, Boss JC. Parang mahirap. Ngayon mahirap na ulit. Oo, kasi wala ka ng pagkukunan dahil wala na yatang shadow. Nako. Persona. Notify. Paulo Ebora. Thank you. Notify IG.
Stop. Yeah.
Yeah. Foods.
Okay, fine. Let's chill. Girl, I miss
Moonlit. 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 Civic.
what server should we play? By the way, I'm gonna make a new account for you.
Bago. Lalakihan ko na. Ano, may delay.
Have you ever?
Di na ata aabot.
I'm having bad dreams. Oh, really?
Dahil LGP sa 2 minutes. Yan, bibigay tayo ng clue. First to chat. First to chat sa pub. Sa pub ha, sa pub mga pre ha.
You found someone there in the thing? Really, right?
Yun o, Boss JC Artilero.
Oh, I'm going to send it to you.
Okay lang yan. Basta ano. Ayan, apat na lang silang ano, subs eh. Raffle ko isa subs, wait lang.
How dare you, marketer.
Okay na, si Jojo na naalo pre. Ayun. Maraming salamat sa dumaan sa stream.
Can you join me? This is a fun game.
Sali na kayo, tele-LGP pre.
It's just explaining. No, I'm getting scared.
Hmm. Anong oras? Siguro mga 1 hour 45 minutes ng stream. Siguro mga after 30 minutes pre.
Sige, what?
So I guess we're the opposite.
Hmm.
Let's keep up the server.
Pagkapos tayo sa oras,
There.
nandito siya, lalabas siya sa Divine Pride.
I'm gonna trade away your stuff.
You're so rude.
Bro, I just saw a server that is called Chase's Murder Mystery. My brother is sleeping. My brother is sleeping, and he never says anything. He just put his
Ba't para may mga laman yung itlog na ano?
Let's play. Wait, let's play Brocade. Wait, I'm going to share my.
Bilis lang yan, par.
Roblox.
Hindi mo na mamalayan. New costume from utility and PC. Yung Pinky Wings. Tsaka yung God Armor. Grabe naman errors.
Lol.
25 seconds left.
Lol.
Let's get married.
Oh, I thought you have-
We don't need guests.
It's just in my mind.
Sequence. Okay, lalakyan ko. Ah,
Bro! Why? Right it in. Oh, you know that big bill? The one you put on your parents' door.
You know. Welcome bro Pogs. Welcome. Ikaw nanalo sa sa Top Fan Raffle. May 1 week VIP ka sa akin. Mamaya bigay ko. Nandun sa isang character ko eh. Full ng pangalan sa ng pangalan sa Divine Pride. Hanapin nyo by yung mga clue na binibigay natin, mas madaling mahanap. So, demi-human siya kasi mukha nga siyang isi. Ano bang nangunguna? Si Atong. Isip kita. Lagi. LLGP tayo. Minigame.
And I love unicorns. Okay. And I love
Punished to the full extent of law. To set an example, others join in accusing her of thinking she's above the law. Or hate
Bali 25 LC per win to. Pwede pa ulit-ulit
actions.
Pre,
I forgot this.
level na lang siguro.
Right.
Pag tumunog yung timer, tas wala pa nakakahula, puro gacha, no? Nakita ko yung streamer egg, pre. Ang ganda ng mga bagong laman ng streamer egg din.
Let me find the murderer, by the way. I swear, if I'm innocent again in the next round,
Wala ng top fan dyan, mga pre. Pag wala, edi sa mga viewer raffle tayo ngayon.
what do you mean?
Hindi po
Oh,
ako,
yes.
sir. Hindi.
OMG,
Pala-
I'm lying talaga. You don't know. Oh, it's a secret, but it's actually
And last na si XG. Si Ingoy, 27. Dota, kaka-update ko lang.
Oh,
Update ko
really? You're
naman.
gonna kidnap
Saan
me?
yun?
Positive?
Marbles.
One for a rainbow, one for Amanda. What you're playing with soon. Amanda. I'm gonna make you headless.
As the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. Wait, you're playing Minecraft? Did you? They said they. Bro,
Pwede pa sumali, different character. Ano ba ito? Kamusta, Jet Lord sa putang naka all stats costume yun, Pagkatapos nito, LC na yung premyo. Okay. So ano else, jewel pa to.
ow.
Jojo. Sayang sana yun, Kung na-late lang siya ng tele ng ilang segundo, siya na pa. Ang gilgil. Ang fufu. Tapos yung Shishitoren. Yun pala yung Choji.
I'm gonna play Maple Hospital. Can we play Maple Hospital? No, I think I have questions. Ayo?
Kamusta ano natin, Adjet Lords?
Wait, you have to check because someone might be using your account. For me, I'm just trying to find some things like ratings in my account. Eh, Bro, they're going to watch drama classes again. Who is this? Ayo?
Palaro tayo. Check ko lang kung ano mga bago. Medium. Next clue.
Okay, bye.
Thank you for sharing the stream, Boss Jamel.
Daddy, watch me. Watch me twerk and say something saucy though. Say something saucy.
Wait, I'm doing something. Ang clue is large. Large. Hindi siya ano eh.
Yeah.
Oh no eh.
Completely your favorite.
Next round. Shout out kay ano, kay Det. Teka lang, start na tayo. 2 winners.
For real. Okay.
Ayun. Ano? Atong, deal mo ako sa front. Yung Den BM. Padil ako ng ano else jewel sa Guess the Monster. Tapos 5 rounds ng
I think I just have
puta. Pag hinalaan.
Where?
Sorry.
the character ng account ko. How dare you? That's personal. Don't read like.
Ang daming bagong pumapasok na guild ngayon sa lakas, no? Sa tour. Parang 3 yata yung nakita akong bago. Yung cam. Oh yan, madali lang yan, pre. Okay, next.
What did you buy again in the school fair? I forgot. That was like that ever since
Okay.
you joke lang. Okay, I won't give it back. Sabi lang. May accepted.
See you bukas. Guild Castles,
Okay.
Aruna Felts. Tapos kahit saan doon piliin mo, tapos tele ka na. Medyo nalakihan ko na yung ano. Ayun, si Jojo.
Can you join me?
Yan, Aro Guild, Balfreya.
Farm game. Possible.
LLGP sa Square pre ah. Ano na. Clue. Kumusta, Bossing Goy?
Hello. You okay? You're gonna be.
Ayun, thank you for the share, par. Wait, Tomiyama. Wala nang habol, ah.
Dito na ako.
Ito yung bago no, kaila ano to ah, kaila
Di ba-
face.
Kasama ka?
Wala yata dito yung VIP nandun sa kabila. Mamaya ako na lang i-deal. So next year, sure ball, port jump na pre. Mabilis lang yun. Wait lang.
Nina?
Teamworks all comes.
Wait lang, Nina.
Okay.
My dad was just borrowing his phone.
Kanya level. Madali na siyang i-search.
Funny. Just asking.